AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 generally is as of now at $0.005 in an exceptionally significant manner. AMP really faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. AMP keeps truly descending development today in an unpretentious manner. 16 December 2023, in this video we will essentially walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these often in every practical sense. Got clarification on some things, facts, what fundamentally is extremely momentary cost expectation for AMP, in a real sense, is AMP an all things considered, wise speculation? Or so they generally thought. AMP support and obstruction levels and so on in a really significant manner. Yet, prior to jumping kind of profound into the AMP specialized examination, let us discuss the genuinely current economic situations, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there most certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,599,597,582,709 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. The in every way that really matters, absolute exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $55,060,451,724, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of huge manner. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39%, which in every practical sense shows what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a downfall of 1.39%, which all things considered is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value lessening of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 1.63 and as of now exchanging at 62 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $74.13 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 5.78% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a by and large descending, heading for truly momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, and in every practical sense, general commonly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically shows that XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 1.63 and as of now exchanging at 62 cents in an especially significant manner. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that AMP records fundamentally descending development today, which basically is very critical. Support truly is a level at which purchasers explicitly become commonly more certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move kind of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly is genuinely critical. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP explicitly is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the beyond 24 hours, and fundamentally has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, showing how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 1.63 and right now exchanging at 62 cents, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while especially all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. There basically are practically 42,227,702,186 especially are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP Value Investigation AMP Cost Examination for 16 December 2023, inside a truly everyday time span, explicitly made sense of underneath, in every practical sense, further appearance, how the very all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $55,060,451,724, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize essentially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of basic moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving especially normal, EMA, to generally investigate the future development of the AMP, which generally is genuinely critical. While AMP's Williams %R pointer truly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange fundamentally signal in a real sense is all things considered, conceivable at this reach, so 16 December 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly sort of gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for AMP, in a real sense, is AMP a wise venture, or so they for the most part thought. The MACD line essentially is remaining beneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, which for the most part is genuinely critical. AMP financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day diagram, which in a real sense shows that AMP support and opposition levels and so on in a sort of significant manner. The principal support level for AMP especially is at $0.005, while the fundamentally second one essentially is at $0.004, exhibiting that 16 December 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and really attempt to answer these regularly, most certainly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What especially is transient cost expectation for AMP, especially is AMP a sort of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. While taking about obstruction the AMP certainly has R1 and R2 at $0.005, $0.006 individually, showing how AMP financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the everyday outline. Which in a real sense shows that AMP support and opposition levels and so on, or so they generally thought. RSI inferring combination stage while exchanging at 45 and in a real sense is attempting to break out of the nonpartisanship zone, which certainly is very critical. AMP in every practical sense is presently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to suggest that the digital currency, all things considered, is in an unstable circumstance that can't for the most part be redressed, which in every way that really matters shows that while taking about obstruction, the AMP fundamentally has R1 and R2 at $0.005,